Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you can join me. Today, I have some project shares and a quick make for you. One of the things I said I was going to do this year is try to use my stash a little bit more than I usually do. So I had to make some gifts for people, and I bought all of these frames from the Dollar Tree. And I like to personalize them just a little bit because the friends that I give them to, they usually have pictures sitting around in their house and frames on, on different surfaces. So one of the things I decided to do is to get out those frames, look through my stash, and see how I can personalize them. So for the little guy, he's a little guy, and he loves the Mandalorian like I love the Mandalorian. So I had this little clip in my stash, and so I decided to put it on his frame, so when he puts the picture, when his parents put their pictures in, it'll be something special to him and something he can keep for a while. So, and I put the Star Wars, the Mandalorian on here so he would have that. The next one is one of my friends, and you know I love to find these things and put them on it, and I think this one came out really cute. That once they put the baby in here and stuff or whatever they decide to put in it, they just had twins. And I found this in my stash because I bought it a while back. It's a Christmas ornament. And it had the two giraffes and the two elephants. And I go, twins. So I put that on, and I thought that would be really cute. And it came out good. These Dollar Store frames are really just perfect for that. And then I did this one for a friend. I'm going to shine up all the frames and everything. I did this one for the friend who really likes snowmen. So I found these snowmen. I think they were ornament too. I like to, when Christmas is over or whatever holidays is over, go shop the ornament and pick them up when they're like 20 cents and stuff like that, because they weren't very expensive. All of them were less than $1, so I picked them up and put them on frames and give them to friends who have pictures around. Now this one was a special one because there I was at my local Goodwill, and I saw M'Baku. I think that's how I said M'Baku from the Black Panther movies, and he's a figurine. And so I put him on here, and I'm going to give it to a girlfriend. I think I'm going to give it to a girlfriend, but one of my friends. But I kind of like M'Baku myself. I haven't decided. Tell me what you think. Would you give it away? Would you keep it? So I put this saying in it, and I think this little poem is really good. It's, think about this. You have the ability to survive anything. That is why, despite all the storms made of pain and loss, despite all the chaos that you have to endure, you are still here and you are still going strong. So that's to all my subscribers out there, still going strong. Glad you're still here. And glad you're making it through some things. And I hope you have friends in your life that can help you get through things. And I made up my mind. I'm going to give it to her because she's going through some stuff. So I made the tag to go along with it so that she'll have it. And I put "You're awesome" on the back, and I'm going to write something on there. So that's the thing to do. Shop your stash, see what you have, get some of your Dollar Tree frames, and make something. Here, I decided that I had these from the Dollar Tree. I scuffed it down a little bit in order to get that on there. And what I want to do too is on here, I want to personalize it a little bit also, because these things, when you get these things, they need a little personalization to them before you give them out to your friends. Always add a little something to personalize it before you give it to your friends. And that's what I like to do. I like to add something on there that's going to make it a little bit personal, so when I give it to somebody, it's good. And I've had these things in my stash for quite a while. So they're part of my stash. I've had them for quite a while, and I just want to share it. So this is one of those Dollar Tree cutting boards. And what I wanted to do is you know, make sure, you know, these, I'm just going to put it on. I wanted to make it so that it, I'll have to leave it on here to stick longer, but it's going to be able to, she'll be able to add more pads to it, and I'll give her some extra pads to add to it. So I got to wait for it to stick down and take a little bit for it to stick. So just kind of go through, shop your stash now. I'm not saying go out and get anything, because I think when these came out at the Dollar Tree, I think we all picked up one and everything. So shop your stash. Go look in your stash. So I haven't been out shopping in a bit. So go shop your stash. Get out all the things that you have. Make something for your friends that's useful. And then give it to them. I'm going to make a couple of little boxes, or I may have a couple of little boxes that I want to put these in. But I want to make sure that I give them something special. I got to tuck that in a little bit. Once it dries, it's having a hard time drying. But you get the gist of it once it dries down there. So that's what I made. I shopped my stash. Quick little gifts for my friends. Something they can use. So I try to give out stuff that people can use. So I made this. Of course, there's M'Baku. There's the snowman. There's the Mandalorian. And there's the Ark. So tell me which one's your favorite. Thank you for joining me. I hope you go and shop your stash so that you can make something special for your friends. And I'll see you all in the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also add some comments. I love to hear from you, and I'll answer them. It may take me a day or so, but I'll answer them. Also, remember to be the reason somebody smiles. And also, self-care is not selfish, so take care of yourselves. And I'll see you all in the next video. Press that button to subscribe. Bye now.